Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to deploy applications with Codeium. Codeium's AI-powered features can help you streamline your deployment process, making it more efficient and error-free. So let's get started. First of all, make sure you have the Codeium extension installed and activated in your code editor. If you have not installed it yet, check out my previous tutorial on how to install Codeium. Now open your code editor and load the project that you want to deploy. Codeium integrates seamlessly to provide real-time assistance and suggestions. Start by ensuring your project is ready for deployment. This includes running tests, building your project, and ensuring all dependencies properly configured. Now open the terminal or command line interface in your code editor. This is where you will execute deployment commands. To deploy your application, you will typically use deployment tools like Docker, Kubernetes, or cloud services such as AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud. Codeium can assist by providing command suggestions for these tools. For example, if you are using Docker, Codeium might suggest commands like docker build t, your image name, to build your Docker image, and docker run p your image name to run your application. If you are deploying to a cloud service, Codeium can suggest CLI commands or configuration settings. For instance, using AWS CLI, you might see suggestions like AWS S3 sync.s3 your bucket name to upload your application to an S3 bucket. Codeium can also help with setting up continuous integration and continuous deployment pipelines. It can suggest YAML configurations for tools like GitHub Actions, GitLab CI, or Jenkins. To monitor the deployment process, Codeium can provide logs and alerts. It can help you troubleshoot any issues that arise during deployment by suggesting relevant debugging commands and solutions. Once your application is deployed, use Codeium to automate post-deployment tasks such as running tests, verifying the deployment, and sending notifications. And that's it. You have successfully learned how to deploy applications with Codeium. This tool can boost your productivity and help you maintain a smooth and efficient deployment process. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.